channel. How is everyone doing? So today, as you have seen from the title, we are going to be creating our DIY soft box. So basically here I'm just showing you guys what you need. First, you need like an LED bulb. If you have, like, you can get it from your local electrical shop. You need some foil, some wire, some, these are like stiff, it's not like cardboard, but it's kind of like cardboard, but they're stiff. I don't know how to describe them, but most of the things I am using, I got them from my local arts and craft shop. So yeah, a good place to source this in Nigeria is Art World in Surulere. So yeah, that's where I bought most of these things. So anyways, let's just jump right into making. So guys, I have cut out the shape of these soft boxes. Like, guys, I'm sorry I did not show you like my measurements. I honestly, even right now, I can't even remember what my measurements were, but I kind of had to like Google up measurements of a soft box. So yeah, that's what I use. You should be able to get like accurate measurements of this soft box. So anyways, I'm just going to cover all the pieces with this tin or this foil paper or aluminum paper. You can get this in your local grocery store. So guys, sorry this part is dark. My ring light officially died. Like, I don't know. I think the socket was having issues or something like that. So yeah. So anyways, I finished wrapping all the boards with the foil, and I just used some hot glue gun. I used my hot glue gun to attach all the ends to, or these ends together. So to reinforce them, I'm just using some electrical tape in the seams just to hold them together so they don't fall apart. So basically just do that for every, because if you use only the glue gun, it's not going to stay like it's supposed to. But yeah, with the electrical tape, it just makes that place dark, so there's no light, doesn't escape, and then it holds it very well. So anyways, yeah, I've joined all the four sides together, and yeah, so I cut out a hole at the bottom for where the light socket would enter in through. So you can just use the socket to just measure it so it doesn't get too big. So now I use the tape to reinforce the light socket, and yes, so my light socket is ready. So now for this part, if you don't know how to do electrical work, you can always ask maybe a guy, if you have a guy in the house or something, to actually do the work for you. In my case, I had to ask my brother because I didn't know which wire had to enter into what. So I had to ask my brother, to help me out to connect the wire. So, but I don't think it's that hard. Like, just to put one wire into one hole and put the other into the other hole. So yeah, so once you're done connecting that, your soft box is ready. So just plug in your, or screw in your light bulb. This is like a 16 LED light bulb, so it has like LEDs all over it. So this is me switching on the light bulb. You can see how the foil around it just reflects the light, which is like amazing. So I just used a little, I got this too from Art World too. So it's like a paper or translucent paper, something like that. So that is acting as my diffuser. Let's just jump into how the soft box looks in an actual video. Okay guys, so I'm just going to show you what the soft, or my DIY soft box looks like when I am shooting. Or today is actually my first day of using this soft box, so I'm just going to show you like the difference in lighting with and without the soft box. So right now the soft box is on. It is actually on the left, on my left hand side. Hopefully I'm sure you notice this side is a little bit dark here because there's really no light coming from this side. So hopefully I will try to make another soft box that I will place on this side just to balance out the lighting. So but for now, the soft box that I made is on this side, is on my left hand side. So I'm going to switch it. It's actually on right now, so I'm going to switch off this softbox so that you guys can see the difference between when the softbox is on and when the softbox is off. So let me switch it off now. Okay guys, so this is me shooting without the softbox on. Like you can see how dark it has already become. So I am going to put a side-by-side comparison of both pictures when the softbox is on and when the softbox is off. Like you can really tell there's a very big difference between when the softbox was on and when the softbox was off. So yeah, I'm just going to switch back the softbox. Okay guys, so the softbox is on now. So like I said before, I'm going to try and make one more just to balance out the lighting on this, on my right hand side, because as you can see the right hand side of my face is kind of dark. So I'm going to try and make one more of this softbox to balance out the lighting on this side. But yeah guys, this is my DIY softbox tutorial. I hope it was helpful to somebody. You know, you might not have a lot of money to actually go and buy like the professional softbox that are already out there, so this is something that is very cheap and easy, and you can just make it for yourself. So yeah guys, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please do let me know in the comment section. If it is something you would be creating, let me know in the comment section too. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.